Yes, family, so we're right back. So we chicken all cook off. Yeah? So a nice pretty color. So you want it look. So we're going to remove it now. Put it on a platter or a plate. And reserve it somewhere. So we can keep it on the stove, but I don't have space on my stove. So you just put it anywhere because we soon come round back to this. So we can just notch back the flame right away. Because we're going to use the same wok here or skillet. And so inside of it, we're going to fix up with vegetable with the same little niceness and whateverness we have leaving it. Yeah. So we have some carrot strips. Them not fully julienne, so because julienne, you know, when you julienne it is more uniform, more neater. So we have some of that. It no matter. Alright? Meanwhile that is there, we want to have some green scallion. Because the carrot have a little sweetness to it, you know. So, but it is so we're going kind of rough chop with scallion. We want some of the scallion something here. Don't eat and the carrot for cook together to bring out the flavor from the, because now we ain't gonna use any herbs, any like dry herbs inside the vegetable. So I'm gonna use like this. So we're going to put those, it and that together. Yeah. So then I'm going to be right there, kind of stir fry now. And we want a little bit more oil, not a lot. So we're gonna put a little more oil. Yeah. My oil done too. Okay. So we're there roll. So we're grate some ginger because we're gonna. This is what we're gonna use to flavor up the vegetable part of the dish. Okay. We're gonna use also some grated garlic. You need lots of garlic in this dish. So we're going along. Our pasta is there cooked and drained off right over there. So we'll get this. We don't want it cooking too. We're gonna turn our flame down. Or we don't want it to cook to get too saggy. We want them, you know, all of that. I have half of an onion. I'm just going to rough chop it like. I'm not going to chop it fine. Right here. We have some pak choy here. And we're going to cut it in like this. You don't want the pak choy cut in no smaller. Like about that, ½ inch. Yeah. So we'll cut the pak choy like that. Not too fine, because when you cut it too fine, it will be easy to spring a lot of water. We don't want this thing here, I taste all water up. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Can turn up the flame at this point because we are here and we have the time for it. Look at the carrots. When you see they start getting a little limp, you know that you need to stop cooking them, right? If you notice, they are not as when they went in there. They're getting a little limp, so we're gonna make them get a little more limper. Maybe another few seconds and we get them all limp. Because when you're eating, you want the carrot and the pak choy, you want the vegetable to be crunchy. At this stage now, we are going to move right in with the pak choy. Right in. Flame right up. Right up. This is all the size you want the pak choy. Not too small. No more small. Not if it's even smaller, not by much. So the flame up right there now, and we are incorporate the vegetable. Okay? We're putting all of these together now. We're not going to steam this for long, you know. We're not going to cook this for long because we want this thing because the idea of it is when it's finished, you want to see the chicken, you want to see the pak choy. You don't want when it cooks, you can't see the greenness of the pak choy. it gets all limpy, and the more the pak chai cook, it tends to spring water. Okay, so you stir up inside of this thing, you know. Huh? You're gonna put back your chicken inside here now. Look at that beauty, y'all. And you're gonna start fix some pasta right in. Yeah. And you want something to help you right here, so to incorporate. Flame up at this point. Yeah. And you look, you see your pak chai standing out, you see your pasta, and you see your carrots, you see your chicken. Okay? So we are going to look more story. You want to use like a wooden spoon and some other something, but you know me use anything me catch because something different, you know. So this is it. Look at it, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. So we want taste right here. So how this thing really tastes, because we don't want it too salty. We don't want the salt. So look here. This thing comes with a salt, a little mushiness to it. Some people use cornstarch. I would use like a barbecue sauce, but this one here, we really kill it. I don't know how them did here, but so I'm gonna put like a little of this to give it a little mushiness. This dish here comes with a little sauce, not really a sauce, but it comes mushy. So I'm gonna put that in there. You put, if you wanna put your cornstarch, you can go ahead. Right? And we're through. It's finished, y'all. It's finished. So look at what I'm saying to you. You see your pasta. You see your pak chai, green and white part of the pak chai. You see your chicken, and you see your all of that. Okay? So we're gonna plate up some of this thing. So, you know, so I have to clean up my area. How easy was that, y'all? How easy? It was just an easy dish. And okay, I had a little, some people use chili. I have a little crushed red bell pepper. You can just put it in there for a little spice. For people who like spice. I didn't remember it, y'all. I'm sorry. So, let me clean this area. So, because we never remember this, we are going to stir it in. It is so pretty. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. So we're going to plate up some of this and make you see what it's like. Okay, y'all? So easy, so nice. And you can put your little twist to it. But when you finish, you want it looking like this. So we're going to plate up now some of this nice goodness here. We want to find where pasta. Hold on. Too much mess. We want pasta, yeah, because this is the base of the dish, the pasta. Yeah, we want some chicken and we want vegetable. Okay? Dish is messy, but you know we can clean up that. I don't know why it's so messy. Maybe I'm not using the right, but when we reach over there, we will clean up. What am I doing wrong, camera girl? Eh? I thought, you know what, fam? Long time when I not see me not come on camera. Me get nervous. Oh Lord, y'all. Help me. Okay. Alright now. We're there like that. And don't ever think for 1 second that I'm gonna present it looking like this. So look at this. You wanna you just with your damp cloth and you just clean right around your edges. Presentation, you know, my thing is that presentation is key. Okay, so we're gonna clean up with this right around the edges. And there you have it, chicken chow mein in a jiffy. You can serve up this with your white wine sparkler. This goes with a sparkler, you all know that. So once more, for the longest while, put the camera upon me, you don't see me. But once more, I'm not back, you know, but the truth take time I come out, work on it, you know, because listen to me, some things are going to turn up around here, you know, okay, y'all? So from my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your plate, to your stomach, to your family table, to your dinner table, it's chicken chow mein in an instant, in a jiffy, from scratch. And I say to you all, remember, you can substitute the meat. You can use pork, shrimp, whatever meat of your choice. You can use saltfish, boneless saltfish, yeah. Okay, those of you once more who have sent me a Christmas cake via WhatsApp, thumbs up. Okay, y'all, I hope you all have enjoyed your Christmas and you cooked some Jamaican. I didn't cook nothing at all because I was just not so well. Camera girl was still not well. So if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe. I see you have been doing that. Subscribe. Continue to share the videos and continue to leave your comments below. The comments have been coming in. They're so warm. They're so, you know, they're so heartwarming. They make you feel good. They make you feel like, you know, what you're doing. You know that what you're doing, it makes sense. People are appreciating what you're doing. I made mess. And if you don't notice me, I wear apron, I ate apron. But if I have to do sometime, I do it. Okay, y'all? Once more, from my kitchen to yours, it's chicken chow mein. Keep your notifications on. Debbie from Dongayard,